government will commence disbursement of the recovered $322 million of bachelor loot to poor households in 19 states. Will this bring the needed succor to the beneficiaries? And the salaries of some government workers may be delayed, all thanks to the stalemate in the Federation Accounts Allocation Committee meeting held earlier this week. Many thanks for joining in, everyone. This is Politics Today live on Channels Television. I'm Sean Kimalia, Channels Television's global headquarters in Lagos. President Muhammadu Buhari has restated his administration's commitment to improving the social welfare of Nigerians, particularly those affected by natural disasters. The president was speaking today in Katsina when he paid a condolence visit to communities affected by the May the 17th heavy rain and windstorm in the state. The president told the traditional ruler that his government will remain committed to the protection of lives of the citizens and will ensure that aid agencies assist those affected by the windstorm. Former governor of Adamawa State, Murtala Nyako, has, in a strong worded message, warned the ruling All Progressives Congress APC to put a stop to the impunity raging in the party, according to him. Otherwise, it will be visited with the same fate that befell the former ruling party, PDP. Nyako, while addressing disgruntled APC members from the 21 local government areas of Adamawa State, says there is still hope that the Oshomole-led NWC will correct the anomalies which led to the polarization of the party in many states following the conduct of the recent APC congresses.
It is going to destroy the discipline in the party and the possible success of the party before the electorate. Nobody in Nigeria, nobody in any society would like to have a society where lawlessness is the order of the day. So you should make sure that the party follows the rule. There have been, of recent, great damage to the party, great damage to the party. We are hoping the party may recover. But if it does not recover, it is its business.
Murtala Nyako, former governor of Adamawa State.